All right, I'm at my village now, even at my home. As you can see, I am standing in front of my door, as you can see. So the door is closed. So, and the lock is hanging, as you can see, the lock is hanging. As I don't have any key to unlock this, so I don't have nothing to do without waiting. So it is a matter of sorrow that I came to my village, but my parents are not available actually right now. Actually, I don't know where they are. Maybe they went somewhere to do important things, or maybe they are trying to find out me actually, as I informed them that I'm coming. That's why. So, anyways, so the important spoken English lesson. So, as I came to my village, that's why I will make a lots of video for you guys. By watching these different kinds of lesson, you will improve your spoken English. You will improve your spoken English journey. By watching this lesson, different kinds of lesson, you can learn how to start spoken English journey, or how to make a conversation with your friends, and how to make a conversation in a public place. You will learn by watching this different kinds of lesson. As I came to my village, I will make a lots of video, a lots of things I will share with you, so that I will suggest to you, please stay connected with me. So let's try to find out my parents actually where they are staying right now. So Allah Hafiz.